Standard 4, Subject EVS 1. Hello students, I Mrs. Lata Shinde. We will learn in this video the first chapter of EVS 1, the life cycle of animals. Before starting the lesson, let me ask you some questions. First, what do you see in your surrounding? Answer: of course, it depends on your surrounding, but mainly we see plants, animals, stones, house, building, etc. Second question: does all animal looks same? Answer: no, they look different. Third, what does the hen gives us? Answer: eggs and flesh. So today we will learn the life cycle of animals. Each and every animal has its own life cycle. But in this lesson we will learn only the life cycle of hen and butterfly. As we know, animals, human beings, all living things, they are growing. The growth take place in them. Some animals gives eggs while some give direct birth to their babies. A hen, crow, spider, snake, lizard, and butterfly, fish lay the eggs. Some animals like cow, cats, sheep, goat, dog are born from their mother's tummy. Here, tummy means stomach. These animals do not lay eggs. Their growth take place in their mother's tummy. Firstly, we will see the animals who give eggs. We all know about the hen's egg. They are big enough to notice them. But some other animals also give eggs. But their eggs are tiny. Tiny means small. So we are not able to see them or notice them. Now you will think how the chick comes out of the egg. A hen gives eggs or lay eggs. After giving or laying the eggs, hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm or give them warmth. The chicks inside slowly keeps growing. Inside in the eggs, the chicks are growing slowly. And when their growth is complete, the chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. Here eggshell means the outer covering portion of the egg. This is called as a hatching. This is a new term for you, hatching. This full process is called as a hatching. We will see in this picture. First picture, as I said, the hen gives the egg or lay the eggs and sits on it for certain period of time to give them warmth. And when the hen gives warmth, the chick starts growing inside in the egg. When their growth is complete, the chick breaks the outer covering portion of the egg, that is called eggshell, and comes out. This is called as a hatching. We can also say the hen is hatching her eggs. This we have seen about the hen. Now we will see about the butterfly. Metamorphosis. Some animals looks very different when they grow. This change of form is called as a metamorphosis. They look different when they are growing. We can see in this picture the life cycle of butterfly. It start, the butterfly gives the eggs. After giving the eggs, it forms the larva. After the larva or caterpillar, it goes inside in the chrysalis or pupa, and after the growth take place and or the growth is complete, it fully change into a butterfly. This is in short we have seen. Now we will see each stage in detail. We see butterflies. They are so beautiful and attractive. We feel likes to go and catch them. But it has to undergo various difficult stages when they are growing. Let us see that 4 stages. The very first stage starts with the eggs. Second, caterpillar or larva. Third, chrysalis or pupa. Fourth, adult. These are the 4 stages. Now we will see the first stage, eggs. Now in this first picture, we are seeing one plant, and this white spot, all white spots are the eggs of the butterfly. First, the butterfly gives the eggs on the leaf of a plant. Then it forms the larva. We are seeing the butterflies are of various size, different size and shapes. They are not same at all. The female plain tiger butterfly lays the egg on the milkweed or rui leaf. We can say rui, it is the name of the same milkweed plant in another language. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges. Emerges means comes out from the eggs. It forms a caterpillar, or it is called as a caterpillar, as we have seen in the last picture. When it comes out, it is very hungry. It eats very fast. So growth is very rapid. It start eating the very first leaf where the eggs are given. It's so much hungry. As it eats very faster, rapid, so growth is also rapid. In first 2 or 3 days only, it grow that much, so its skin does not fit anymore to the old skin. So already the new skin is formed under that. This is called as a molt. Children, this happens with you also sometimes. When you are growing, your old clothes you don't get fit enough. So you have to change your clothes. Same thing happens with butterfly. Butterfly has to change the skin. It's called a molt. Again, a new term for you. This process is called as a molt. It molts 4 times. It remains in caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. Before the last molt, the caterpillar waves a button of a silken thread and hangs itself on a stalk. This is called as a chrysalis or pupa. Before the last but before the last molt, the butterfly waves a cage type of thing. It has a button type of thing on the top of that, and it hangs itself around a tree or a stalk. This is called as a chrysalis or pupa. It goes inside in the chrysalis for 10 to 12 days. When it is inside in the chrysalis, it does not eat anything. When the growth is complete, the adult butterfly comes out from the chrysalis. And when the growth is complete, it has 4 attractive wings, 6 long legs. So this is all the way butterfly grows or its growth take place. We can see in the picture how the chrysalis is. It is hanged on the branch of the tree or stalk. It has a cage type of thing. On the top you can see a button or opening side. When the growth is complete, it can come out from there, and it has got all the new things, attractive wings, 6 long legs. So butterfly is ready. So this way the butterfly's life cycle, butterfly has to pass so many difficult stages. Now I hope you all have understood the lesson. Let's go for evaluation part. First question is true or false. First question, all the animals look same. Answer, false. Second, we cannot see the eggs of the ant because they are tiny. True. Next question, answer the following questions. First one, what is metamorphosis? Answer, some animals looks very different when they grow. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Second question, what is chrysalis? Answer, before the molt, the caterpillar weaves a button of a silken thread and hangs itself on a stalk. This is called as chrysalis. Next question, how does an adult butterfly looks like? Answer, the adult butterfly looks very beautiful and attractive, wings and 6 long legs. Here we come to the last part of the lesson, is your homework. You have to draw and color a picture of a plain tiger butterfly, how you like, and you have to explain the new terms with the help of this video or textbook and learn it. First is hatching and second is molt. Thank you.